In this video, we will look at how to install Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. In the demo, I will install Docker Engine on Ubuntu Server 24, but you can also use this guide on Ubuntu desktop. We will use the installation script provided by Docker. This method will also work on the previous LTS version of Ubuntu. To install Docker on Ubuntu, we'll run 3 quick commands. The first command uninstalls any previous versions or conflicting packages. The second command downloads the installation script, and the third command installs Docker Engine. Okay, here I am at the command prompt. Let's run our first command to uninstall any conflicting packages. This system didn't have Docker installed before, so there are no conflicting packages to uninstall. Now let's run the second command to download the installation script. Alright, with the script downloaded, next we'll execute the script to install the Docker engine. The installation is complete. Let's verify it by checking the Docker version. The Docker version command confirms that both the Docker client and Docker engine are installed on this computer. To make sure everything is working properly, let's run a Hello World container. If you see the Hello from Docker message, it means Docker is installed and running correctly. And that's it. You've successfully installed Docker Engine on your Ubuntu system. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the Docker run command and explore how to create Docker containers from images.